Ellis Brooklyn gifted me their new fragrance, Vanilla Milk, and it's everything the title says that it is. I wanted to create an outfit inspired by the fragrance. This perfume has notes of bourbon vanilla bean, Madagascar vanilla bean, creamy milk, sandalwood, cocoa shell extract, frangipani, peony rose, a whole lot of different fragrances in just this little bottle. It is not just vanilla, there is levels to it. This perfume is designed to work with your body heat and your body chemistry. So normally I take a shower, I spray the perfume on, I get dressed, and I spray some more on top of that. I don't know how it's floral and musky and vanilla and soft all at the same time, but they managed to achieve just that. Each fragrance is thoughtfully cared for from start to finish. They're paraben-free, phthalate-free, and PETA certified, vegan, and cruelty free. Also, the bottle is made of glass, so it is recyclable or you can reuse it. So I will link everything down below. You guys go check out Ellis Brooklyn. I love you, and I will catch you next time.